Yay! Time for day 11. I'm a bit sick, so this'll be not as well put together. Anyway, just to recap the story. Started on Snow Island. There's no snow, so we went to Island Island to search for the water. Apparently they're not getting water because there's something wrong with Sand Island, so we went there. But Sand Island is having an issue with one of their machinery, so we're going to Metal Island to get the parts we need to fix the machine to fix, so that Island Island could get water, so that Snow Island could get snow. Cool? Everyone on top of things? Yeah, start. Okay. Where the fuck's my mouse? Day 11. You continue... Ah, no! That's not what I wanted to happen. Shit, sorry. Okay. You continue following the signs for Hot Spring, and eventually come across an observatory. Ooh, fancy. The elf within turns out to be a reporter studying cosmic expansion using the giant telescope here. He doesn't know anything about the missing machine parts, he's only visiting for the research project. However, he confirms that hot springs are the next closest area likely to have people. He'll even take you straight there, once he's done with today's observation analysis. Maybe you can help him with the analysis to speed things up? The researcher has collected a bunch of data and compiled the data into a single giant image, your puzzle input. The image has empty spaces and galaxies. Yo, it's another character grid! Fuck yeah. Those are really easy to parse. So easy. Oh god. The researcher is trying to... Oh. No, hold on. The researcher is trying to figure out the sum of the lengths of the shortest path between every pair of galaxies. Sorry, I completely was not able to meaningfully parse that. Okay. The researcher is trying to figure out the sum of the lengths of the shortest path. Okay. Why can't I read right now? The researchers are trying to figure out the sum of the lengths of the shortest path between every pair of galaxies. So, like, for this galaxy, it's that, plus 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 that. And then, same with this. Hold on a moment. Let me turn on chat. Okay. With all due respect, Olivia, if I can't read it on the actual page, how am I gonna read it from chat? Due to something involving gravitational... Thank you. Due to something involving gravitational effects, only some space expands. In fact, the result is that any row or column that contains no galaxies should all actually be twice as big? No, thank you. Thank you for your effort. In the above example, 3 columns and 2 rows contain no galaxies. These rows and columns need to be twice as big. The result of cosmic expansion therefore looks like... Oh no. Oh no. Fuck, how do I even do this? Fuck, I actually don't have a good way. I have to do this shit manually. Okay, well I guess it's something to add to my grid library. Equipped with this expanded universe, the shortest path between every pair of galaxies can be found. It could help assign a unique number. Okay, yeah, so it's Wait, hold on. No, isn't it? No, it's... Isn't it 9 squared divided by... No, it's 9 times 8, which is 72, divided by 2, which is 36. Okay, got it. We got it. Order within these pairs doesn't matter. For each pair, find the shortest path between the two galaxies using only steps that move up, down, left, right, or right exactly 1 dot or pound at a time. The shortest path between two galaxies is allowed to pass through another galaxy. Isn't that just the Manhattan distance between these two? I'm pretty sure that's just calculating the Manhattan distance, which feels fairly easy. This path has length 9 because it takes a minimum of 9 steps to get from galaxy... Yeah. And then get the sum of those lengths. Oh god, this is gonna be a pain. Okay, let's close all this shit from yesterday. We'll open up day 10 here. And of course, our special Python scripts. That is a get puzzle input. I am really tired, so this is going to be like a hell of a day. Okay, so what does the input look like? Okay. Oh, that was the oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh wait, that's day 10. I needed 11s. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Universe. No. Oh no, I feel. Oh no, this is gonna be really atrocious. And we'll just plagiarize my print function from here, because... Ah, where'd it go? Here you are. Just as a template, because I don't want to remember how to do that. %C. C. Okay. Advent code 2023-11 part 1 sample. Yay, we got it to print. Boom. The parsing step has been complete. Okay, now at the hard part of how to actually expand the universe. Okay, so we got the functions to check if a row is empty or not. So okay, row or column's empty. Oh, this looks good. Oh, okay. I feel like that's right. How it goes. I have to figure out how I'm taking my grid and expanding it, and so that's kind of tough to figure out. At the very least, the horizontal expansion, or well, expanding in a row is probably the easier of the two, so I'm trying to figure that out first. That actually might make more sense. Damn, that's smart. Okay, you know what? Yeah. We'll just keep that in the back row for now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna count empty columns between a start and end. And then if empty column don't even need the if here, we could just do count plus equals. Aha. And then just a very similar thing for rows. There copy if? Yeah. Standard R copy if. Okay, actually first we need to return. Oh, why don't you like this? Oh, that's why you don't like it, right? Oh, actually. Oh, why are you complaining here? Yeah, no, screw it. I'm using pushback. Screw you. Game? Not the right word. Yeah, okay, so now we have all the galaxies. Now I have to remember how to get every pair, so we have Cartesian product, but that's a new feature, so that's a... Okay, well first let's find out if we have Cartesian product, because that would be super useful to have. If def Yo, GCC has Cartesian product. Please tell me Clang also has Cartesian product. No! Clang does it! Fuck! Do I just say fuck it and have this be GCC only? I really don't want that to be the case. Okay, you know what? Here's what we'll do. We'll start off by doing it with GCC within the feature macro, and then we'll complain afterwards. So, long get distance. Wait, between two positions. X2, Y2. Yep. Y1 minus X1 plus count empty columns between y1 and... Or, hold on. No, okay, hold on. x2 minus x1 plus... Count the empty columns. Plus y2 minus y1 plus empty columns, or empty rows between y1 and y2. Count empty row. If x1 is greater than x2 or y1... Oh, actually no, because that would... Shit, okay. Now what I would need to do here is... Oh, that's actually a really good catch. Oh, that would have been a really bad bug to have to deal with. If end is greater than start, standard swap. Or actually, no, I could do that here. If x2 greater than x1, swap. And likewise, if y2 greater than y1, we swap these. That makes sense? I think that makes sense. Yeah. Pairwise distances. First we get the for oh, right, because I'm still in Clang. Right, that's why. There we go. Yay! This distances 0. Distances plus equals get distance of xy, and then return distances divided by 2, because because we're essentially doubling up on the count. And a nice little feature test macro so that I'll know that when I compile it with Clang, it will just hate me. else. Oh, static assert false. Long results equals u dot get pairwise distance print f percent ld res return. Nope, I already have the return statement. Return res. Okay, so if we quickly take a look at the sample, the final answer is 374. Oh, unused parameter. That's not good. Oh, that's very not good. I was getting the distance from itself to itself. Yeah, that's not right. Thank you, warnings. I got negative 292. So I feel like something is a bit wrong. You know, just a feeling. Not quite a child. Okay, in our print statement, let's just make sure we're getting... Yeah, let's do a more basic, no, not dimensions 0 plus I, no, plus x, and then for long y equals 0, y less than dimension 1 plus y. So if okay, so if empty row y or empty column x gonna print a nice red color. And then here I just print the regular default. Oh. There we are. Sure, this is maybe the boring way to print our map, but it's the one that will produce the most correct results. Okay, interesting. So empty row is doing something wrong. Well, I'm sorry, but I need to be able to visualize based on the index of my grid. And the clever way does, or the fancier way doesn't do that. Because empty column is just not working for some reason. No, hold on. It's column then row. Okay, cool. We got columns working. Now we just have to find out why my distance is not working. No, hold on, we want X to the... Right, okay. Ninja. Oh, 374? That sounds vaguely familiar. 374, okay, so that's the sample. So we got us so the sample's working. How about the actual data? You know, I'm starting to be a little bit concerned. How many pairwise things am I dealing with? Number of galaxies is %ZU. Galaxies dot size. Actually, we could also just not print anything because we don't need to do that anymore. That'll just be sort of a waste of space. $447. Oh no. Remind me, what is 447 times 447? Okay, barely breaks 1 billion. That should not be taking this long. What was it? 447 or size? Let's just, yeah. Ninja. Okay, interesting. So what's a fast way to get every pair of a set? X less than long of. Uh, Something's being wonky. Oh, I see the issue. Okay. So I'm recalculating empty columns in a root. Okay. Yeah, I see. No, not static. What am I doing? Standard unordered set of long? Empty columns, empty rows. empty columns. Oh, yeah. All index less than dimension 1? Return. Okay. God. Empty columns dot contain call index. Yeah. And this is const. Hell yeah. When you stop being a dumbass and start doing things smartly. Are you mocking me? I have a feeling you're mocking me. Okay, so let's recalculate the sample. 243. Oh, that's not right. Oh, that's very not right. Interesting. Okay, so now everything is apparently huh. What do you mean completely underserved? Oh, I did. Oh god. Also, I'm doing a programming sin. I'm using the go-to statement. What am I doing? No, not go-to rows. Inner continue. Or outer continue. Outer continue. It's not recommended. No, that's not right. Okay, so the horizontal is doing things correctly. Not the vertical. Why? This is also not a, this also shouldn't be returned here either. What did I break? I broke something. Oh, you know what? This would be a perfect use case for a Python feature where you could have an else branch of a for loop. Unfortunately, we don't have that yet, so you know. Wrong. That's the wrong thing. Edit configurations. Thank you. Sample. Part 1. Day 11. Debug. Okay, so this should result. Oh. Two, three, four, five, six. No, that has. What the hell, man? Shit, I'm getting a call. One moment. Okay, I returned. Okay, so why are you not working specifically? Wait, maybe that's working fine. What isn't working is this. Yeah, so it wasn't the code that was finding the loops. It was so it wasn't the code that was finding the gaps. It was the code that was querying the data. So here I have like the function empty row, and it checks if the index is in the set containing all of the empty indices. But for both of these, I was doing empty column dot contains as opposed to empty rows dot contain, or one of them being empty columns and the other being empty rows. There we go. Now we're getting 187. So oh right, hold on, because I forgot we don't need to divide by 2 now because I'm doing a smartly thing. So 374. That sounds like a good answer. That looks like an answer, so we'll just get rid of our little print statement here. Because who needs to print shit? Coding is essentially just a giant murder mystery. You got the right idea. Submit. got the fucking answer to part 1. Yeah, that took probably a bit longer than it should. Okay, part 2. Oh, no, timer's in the way. We'll just move that off to the side for now. The galaxies are much older and thus much farther the research initially estimated. Now, instead of expansion you did before, make each empty row or column 1,000,000 times larger. That is, each empty row should be replaced by 1,000,000 empty rows and 1,000,000 empty columns. In this example, if each empty row is it's merely 10 times larger, the sum would be the shortest path. Okay, so actually, quite literally, your little suggestion of the weighted graph actually makes this part 2 possible. Because now I don't actually have to expand my rows by fucking millions. Get distance 2! Or actually what we could do is have template long expansion. I love templated code. $1,000,000. Okay. So how am I using get this expansion? Expansion times count into rooms and expansion times. Okay, so unfortunately, the example for the sample, they only give it if the expansion is 10. But I just changed this number here to a 10 ninja, and we'll see how the sample compares. If we got 8410. No, we don't get 8410. Okay. Oh, wait. 10. Is it 10 3? Okay. I spelled vertical wrong. I don't remember how to spell vertical. Oh, I forgot. Literally just forgot a C. Okay. Okay. Thinking. Ah. Oh god. Oh, I forgot the closing there. Edit conditions. We are testing part 2 on the sample. Yeah, 1, forgot to put the new line. 2, forgot to put the breakpoint. Okay, now let's do this. Heck. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so x1. So it's 3 to 7, 0 to 1. Okay, so it's these two. And they pass by this single thing. So this should be 1. Oh, wait. Wait. I realized the problem. So first of all, the expansion here is actually 2. But going back to here. Plus expansion minus 1. Because if it's 100 times bigger, that's only 99 more lines. So I have to multiply it not by the expansion, but the expansion minus 1. $1030, that's right. So now if we increase this to 100, and then recompile. That is also right. So now we just change this to 1 million, comma 000, comma 000. And then submit that. Let's fucking go! I did it! I did it! I am so smart! I am... And here I was planning to actually manually do the expansion. Such a terrible idea. How dumb could I have been? Look at this beautiful advent calendar. And... okay, well, yeah, I guess that's it for the stream. Nothing really else, nothing else going on. Okay, it was only like an hour and 15 minutes. Most of that was part one, which is actually just kind of sad, but you know. What can you do? Anyway, thank you, Olivia, for joining me, keeping me company. Don't feel as sick as before, so, you know, nice. And with that, yeah, stream's over. Bye.